Well, today I'm finally going to make my grandpa pizza. Remember a few weeks ago we were trying to find the ultimate grandma pie, and we found one that was good. And today I'm going to make a grandpa pie. When grandma made it, she just took everything she had around the kitchen that would be good on a pizza and made a delicious pizza. And I'm going to take whatever grandpa has hanging around, like Italian sausage, pepperoni, mozzarella, thyme, which I like lately, minced garlic, some crumbles of bacon that I had left over from breakfast. I don't know why I had leftover bacon, because I usually eat it all. And we made this dough on Kathy's channel, and I'll put a link to that video in the description below. I want to weigh it first. Let's see, 1 pound in ounces. Let's see. This is a nice dough. We made it in our KitchenAid mixers. So I'm gonna weigh it. Oh, 1 pound, 7 ounces. Let me cut that in half. I'm gonna make it square. Cut it in half. I want it thin and crispy. And I have my Kasuri air fryer oven preheating at 450 degrees. I'm not using the air fryer function right now. I'm using the pizza function. It's a pizza function. Okay. I think I should use it all. What do you think? There's a lot of olive oil in this dough. You'll see when you watch the recipe. Well, Grandpa was in a hurry. He made this quick. I'm gonna spread some olive oil on my pan. I'm hungry. Here, I'll bring it closer. You want the olive oil in your pan because you want a crispy crust. And hopefully we achieve that today. See? It's so good. Thin and crispy. Like Grandpa likes it. And this pan fits perfectly in the Kasuri air fryer oven. Okay, nothing fancy, see? The way Grandma did it in the recipes I looked up is she first put down mozzarella cheese. Now, I don't know if she had it in a container like this, but she might have got it from the market. So first we're gonna put cheese down first. It's gonna be good and thin and crispy. It's my first grandpa pie. I'm gonna have leftovers. I'm gonna make something else later. Maybe I'll make another one. And dots of sauce, just dots of sauce around. Whatever you like, whatever you have around. She used stewed tomatoes too, but Grandpa don't have any right now. Or tomatoes from your garden, cut them up and put them on there. Leftover bacon crumbles. Grandpa likes. This is only gonna be enough for me, isn't it? Italian sausage. It's convenient to buy them like this. Oh, this is gonna be so good. It smells so good right now. Sliced pepperoni. Deal them out like little pepperoni coins. Now, if you don't like Grandpa's pie, you can make it like Grandma. Grandma put basil on there. Nice leaves of basil. And, like I said, stewed tomatoes. But sometimes Grandpa goes nuts. And I know there's something else around here. Oh, yes. Minced garlic. Generously. If you like it. Could put onions on here now. Could put peppers on here. My new favorite spice is thyme. For some reason, I've been liking it lately. Okay. Oh, thyme has a good flavor. I see you have mushrooms and ricotta for your pizza, right? Kathy's making a pizza too, but she's making it different. She's making it pan pizza. You're gonna have to check her channel. Mushrooms I would like, yeah, but heck yeah. All right. Sorry if I slice 2 of them up?
Sure, go right ahead.
I love it. Okay, our oven is preheated. Thank you. Has a preheat setting. Ah, yes. What a pizza. My first grandpa pie, made by an authentic grandpa. Italian too, just like you. Whatever else you like on here. But I think that's good for now. What do you think? Can't wait. All right, 450 degree Kasuri air fryer oven on the pizza setting. Can you see that? Look at the light. Got a light in there. Set it. It's set for 15 minutes. Oh, it's gonna be good. Are you making yours for lunch too?
Yes.
What do they call, deep dish style?
Deep dish, yes.
Yeah.
It's gonna be what you need.
I have leftover dough. I might have to make a second pizza.
Yeah.
I could have used it all and made it just a little thicker, but I wanted it thin today. Okay, back in 15, back in 14. I'll let you look at it. Ooh, how does that look? See some sizzling. Now remember, this oven has these suggestions of where to put the racks. You know, high, medium, and low. Well, pizza is the middle rack, and I had it on the bottom, so I just moved it up. Just wanted to update you on that. I'm just so hungry and anxious to have this. There's 3 minutes and 16 seconds left. It's bubbling. It smells delicious. Well, we got about 30 seconds left. Oh boy, so good. What a lunch. And it's exactly lunchtime right now. It's 12:10 p.m. Time to eat lunch. Yay. My first grandpa pie with homemade pizza dough, made with my own KitchenAid mixer. Look at that. Let's get this out on the table and let it cool. Okay, it looks good and brown and crunchy, doesn't it? Oh. Oh yeah. I don't want to melt the cutting board. That smells so good. Mushrooms I see on there. Oh. You like it? Ooh. Hey, Grandpa, make another one of them pizzas. Okay. You gotta let it cool though. I made the dough. Look underneath. Oh, wait till I cut it and I'll show you underneath. Let me let it cool for a few minutes. I don't want to get that pizza burn in my mouth. I'm gonna get 4 slices. Whew. You want some of this, or are you gonna wait for your own pizza?
I might have to have a bite out of that one. Just a little taste.
What is Grandpa's?
Because you're gonna want to taste mine too.
Yeah.
They're both gonna be good.
All right. How long is the legal time to let it cool for?
Oh, don't hurt your taste buds.
Should I take the temperature? Where's my thermometer? Then I leave the oven open to get free heat for a while. $165. That's too hot. 160, 168, 170. Is that a work of art? So if I was at a restaurant and they brought it out and it was this hot, they'd say, careful, it's hot. And they'd cut it and then put it on my plate. And I'd take a bite by now, would I? I wouldn't sit here and wait, would I? Would I? What's your temperature? 84.7. You're cool. Oh, the camera. The camera's 80. I'm sorry. I Probably ruined my lens, did I? See a spot there?
Oh, red dot. Just kidding.
You've waited and I've waited. And the time has come. Grandpa pie. Nothing against Grandma's pie, but why not, right? Still waiting. Oh, I just got the box in the mail too. Let me show that quick because I want to start eating them. I wanted to remind you and show you this that I got from my niece Mackenzie, remember? I just wanted to show you because I want to start eating these. And what a perfect time waiting for the pizza to cool. Girl Scout peanuts. Oh. Chocolate covered pretzels in a gift tin. Oh, my favorite almond butter cups. You remember when Mackenzie was here and we unboxed them? She liked them a lot too. Coconut cashews. Oh, did you ever have them? Butter toasted peanuts. Thin mint almonds. I liked them a lot last time, so I had to get them again. And deluxe pecan clusters. Mackenzie's selling these from the Girl Scouts. Turning the badge. And she's almost at her goal. I'll put a link down there. You can check these out. Wouldn't this be a nice Christmas present? Or to have around the house now for when you get company. They're not going to last until I get company. Okay, maybe I talked my pizza into edible territory. What do you think? Coconut cashews. Oh, it smells so good. Hi, Mackenzie. You want a Grandpa's pie? What piece do I want first? That piece. You see underneath? It's not too brown, but it's crunchy. You saw it before me. Oh, that's good. Mushroom. I'll burn myself now. Temperature. 120. 140. Oh, so good. If you don't have time, try some thyme for a spice once in a while. I've been using that lately. It's really good. The crust is delicious, especially since I made it myself. Listen. It's like the consistency of that grandma pie we had at the restaurant. Those are my sausage. Oh, hey, calm down. It's still hot. Still hot, but I had to eat it. Pepperoni, lots of garlic, mushrooms, sausage, cheese on the bottom makes a big difference. Make yourself a grandpa's pie if you want to. It's so good. Never have too much meat toppings. I'm sorry. I had to show it to you. We made the dough on Kathy's channel. I had to make Grandpa's pie. There it is. Check Kathy's channel where we made the dough. This is good. This is going to be enough to fill me up too. Okay, but I got to save room for yours, right? Thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe. Make yourself a grandma or grandpa pie. It's easy. Talk to you later. See you. All right.